we've got to go part through this small channel here. Is that what the right thing? Through the channel. And this is where, and we've also got to dodge large ships, don't we? Another cloudy day, which is a bit sad because the sun makes the water beautiful colour. But never mind, at least the wind's down. We're down to one engine today, so it's just going to be a bit of a nightmare getting into the marina. Fingers crossed we have the wind in our favour, pushing us in the right way. Albany town looks pretty cool. Set on a nice hill. The marina's not too far from the main street from what we can see on Google, so which would be great to get a walk around.
So we're in Albany Marina safely after a bit of a adventurous entry because we've only got one engine, but this is the problem that we've just come across. So what's happened is this taper pin has sheared off. So what I suspect's happened is this bit here, this fork has been over tensioned and it's snapped off, allowing this to fall out because that hangs downwards, and then it's dropped down into the dog clutches and spliced up, been ripped. So we're lucky. Here's the top part. I can't see any damage to the teeth. We're all good, and the bottom cones look the same, and we got all the parts out. So now we're going to reassemble it. Because that just goes in that and just lifts that up and down. Alright. So that was that way.
Is that
that way?
Yep.
So it's got to go like that. Alright. Yep, seal's still there. Alright. Let's put it in for good. Stay. There it goes. No. Yep, perfect. Yep, perfect. Right, 4 bolts. So the short ones go on the top. So that's these. 2, 3, 4. Tight enough. That went on that way. So that needs to go like that. Straight down there. Okay? There she goes. Oh, bloody simple fix. One little pin. Oil. Oh, yeah, the gear selector. That was the 13 as well. Yeah, it fits perfect. So we just replaced the O-ring that had cracked. We had the spare, but we had the bracket on the bottom, which gave us the wrong linkage distance. So it's all sweet now. O-ring's in. All right, cap. East, west. That's in. That's the same down. Same shim. Right, where's the lid? Goes that way. Okay, down this edge. There it goes. There's number 1. Alright. Oh, that's killing. It's not what I put in here. Oh, did a standing. Oh, look! Take this thing, get rid of it. Alright. God, at least we know it. Alright. Holy moly. Alright, top her up. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. There's not enough room in here. There we go. To say that's going slow would be an understatement. You know what? I bet that rubber boot thing that's there is not meant to be there. I bet it's meant to have a hole in the end or something. I'll pour it carefully. Right, here we go. No, that's a failure. That's meant to be in there. That's got to be in there. I think it's just a slow pour. Just sit and pour. It's enough. Yeah, it's right. Spot on. Alright. All clean. Hey, fire in the hole. Moment of truth. Have we got water tubing? Oh, look at that! There's water going past. Woo. You saw that price, it was $1.94, or £1.94, British pound I guess, for 4 of them. They were $10 Australian. But we're going, we're fixed, we're happy. Let's go. Yeah, that's pushing out big time, isn't it? Look at that.
Yeah. Yep. Look on the other side there.
Oh, yeah, that's pushing. Well, I suppose we should try reverse.
Yeah.
Yeah, now look at this moving.
Oh, yeah.
Very good. So this morning we've decided we're going to go dive the HMAS Perth. We're just getting all our stuff together now. So gear's out, Pete's coming over, dropping his stuff. We've only got 8 knots of wind at the moment, so it's pretty flat. And it picks up for the next few days, so we're going to get out and have a go.
Just heading out for the dive. Guys are ready, and Emma's thinking about going. Gear's ready. She's going to see if her ears let her. All loaded, 3 lots of gear, full boat.
Who's getting this stuff on first?
Emma's going in last.
You can hear the music.
So Pete, guess what? Emma's going in last.
We get down
She's
first.
my baby.
We've all got the same speed. Is it safer?
Yeah.
Can we do it all at the same time?
Yeah, why not?
Pete, you're not moving.
Why not?
You're dragging your
He's
feet.
hesitating.
You're dragging your feet.
Alright. Look at these two.
Wait, cut that.
Pete's dragging this chain here. He's trying to get the last in. He's aiming to be last in that water.
Yeah.
Won't be a first and a last.
They have a bit of a great white fear. We're right next to Seal Island, which is not a great name to be diving near. Your weights, little pockets on it.
It's not that bad.
Time.
After having Emma on board for the past month, it was unfortunately time for her to return home. Bye, love. Sad to see you go. I enjoyed you here.